Okay, so when I was in high school, I would like play sports, but I was always on the C team. Like there was an A team, a B team, and then the C team for all the kids that weren't actually good at sports. Yeah, this is like the C team version of a Mr. Kate home renovation video. Hello, my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Correct, you clicked on the link. You know what you're kind of in store for. Today, I am doing a bathroom makeover video. For those of you who don't know, I've mentioned this several times in videos. I love interior design. Like, it is just a fun hobby. Well, first it was just like a fun, like, I like to watch interior design videos, and then it kind of turned into a hobby, and now I'm obsessed. Like, I am constantly rearranging things in my house and redoing things in my house, and like every time my fiance comes home, he is like, wait, you moved everything. Like, it's just kind of this ongoing joke. And so I'm really excited to do this video for you guys today. I hope that you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. I'm still like working on how to make these in terms of videos. Like, I know how to like renovate things in the house, but I am new to the world of making videos about it. This is like a fun side hobby that I really enjoy doing, so I hope that you enjoy watching it. That being said, I got some amazing information on how to do this through the sponsor of today's video. Stay with me on this because I actually am really genuinely excited about this. Today's sponsor of the video is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community for creators that offers so many different kinds of classes, including things like design and business. I mean, the list really goes on and on and on. And if you get an unlimited membership, you can take as many courses as you want. I picked a class called Styling Your Space, Bringing Creativity to Interior Design. And it was taught by Emily Henderson, and I was so excited to see this because I follow her on Instagram. And so I started taking her class, and it's so fun. Basically, you guys, it's like watching YouTube videos, but for a subject that you're interested in learning more about. And there's more than 7 million creators on there taking these classes and learning new skills and interacting with each other and leaving comments. And you get to like basically just chat with like-minded people. So I like found this community of people interested in interior design, and I'm really excited about it. So this fits in so well with today's video, and I hope that you will check it out. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and if you love it, after that, it's only $10 a month. Honestly, I think it's worth it. I learned a lot of tips and tricks on how to redecorate my bathroom, and it didn't even feel like I was like taking a class. It literally just felt like I was watching a fun YouTube video. So I'm excited to share this with you guys, and I'm excited to share my transformation today. So let's get into it. So basically, I had this idea that I needed to redo our bathrooms. Why? I don't know, but that's who I have become. Actually, when Jeff moved in, the idea was we have 2 bathrooms here, that he would have 1 bathroom and I would have another. I really wanted to redo his bathroom and make it like super cool and chic, and I ended up painting it black, and it's super cool. And if you want to see that, we can do like a tour of that. But as we were doing that, I was like, well, I kind of want to redo mine. I've never been like super in love with my bathroom. I mean, the actual structure of the bathroom is amazing. It's huge and beautiful, and I feel so lucky to have it. But I never had like kind of like a style to it. And so as I was getting that bathroom painted, I was like, you know what? While we're at it, let's just go ahead and paint this bathroom. I have a great friend who is a great handyman, and I was like, just go ahead, pick out, I want like a light pink, let's do it. And he did it, and I was horrified. And so basically what you're about to see is me revealing the pink bathroom with obviously nothing else in it. It's not styled yet, but I was mortified by how it all turned out, and instead of repainting it, I was determined to make it work. So well, enjoy the journey and let me know if you think I made it work. Hello, I made a massive mistake. Welcome to my actual nightmare. That's right, you aren't in a nursery for a newborn girl, you're in my bathroom. I thought it was a good idea to paint the wall pink. Little did I know it would turn out like this. Yep, that's right, this is terrible, but instead of repainting it, I figured I would just make it work. So that's the challenge. So far, I got this. That looks cool. Everything else is a nightmare. Let me show you above the toilet. I did get this piece, and I got this, I think, at Home Goods, and I like the look of it, and then I put some green stuff on it, and I'm like feeling that vibe. So I feel like I can fix the situation, but I'm not 100% confident. So let's do it. Okay, hi. The lighting and the sound in my bathroom are terrible, but that's just life. I also just got a facial, so please excuse this. I'm very excited. My rug that I think is going to work just arrived. My mom actually ordered it from Cost Plus, but now that I'm looking at it, it's the brand nuLOOM, N-U-L-O-O-M, and I saw this all over Amazon, so I'm thinking we probably got ripped off by buying it at Cost Plus and probably could have gotten it cheaper on Amazon. That's not a fact, but that's just a guess. So my mom has been helping me try to fix this mess, and she is convinced that this rug will in fact work. So let's do an unboxing of this rug, roll it out and see if in fact this will save me. I had to. So since this isn't really technically a bath mat, and you shouldn't really get this super duper wet, I got that bamboo bath mat, so right when I step out of the shower I can dry off in there and then have this, which isn't like the most ideal, but whatever. If it looks good, it's worth it. Also, what do you guys think about this jacket? Just got it from Target. I think it's kind of ridiculous, but I'm into it. Okay. All right, moment of truth. Like truly fills my whole bathroom. Oh. Let me step aside so you guys can take a look. What do we think? I'm not completely convinced. Like, I actually really like the colors of this. They don't show up as well on camera. Let me turn on the other light. It has a fan, so it's gonna be loud, but I definitely think there's something here. I just don't know, this is hard. Maybe I should just paint the wall. I don't know, I feel like I need to like let it kind of flatten out and sit with it a little bit and see if I like it. It's definitely a really nice rug. I don't know if it's a little bit too big. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna sit with it for a little bit and see how I feel, you know? What does this make me feel? Other than I probably got ripped off because I should have gotten it on Amazon. I'm just saying. Hello. Okay, so it's been like over a month, I think, since that last clip when I had the rug in the bathroom that had just arrived. And I figured before I took you back into the bathroom, we've made some big changes. I mean, not big, like it's still pink. But I figured I would give you some updates and some things I've learned since then. Like truly, so much time has passed that I got engaged. Which, if you haven't seen the videos about that, I'll leave the link below. Sorry, there's gonna be some wedding type videos, but whatever, I'm excited. And I also like love that kind of content. This is all to say, so much time has passed, and I thought it was important to mention if you are like looking to redo any of your rooms or even just like decorate a house. Like a lot of people move into a new house and they expect everything to be done quickly or like want everything to be done quickly. But what I have learned from the different times that I have moved, or specifically with this project, is that if you really want to get a look that you love and you are not a professional or you don't have like a ton of extra cash, then things really do take a long time. For me, it was like finding the right rug, so I just like researched and researched and researched, and like you saw, I got that rug in there. And after like sitting with it for a little bit, I was like, you know what, I really like this. This is pretty, but this isn't the style that I'm going for. That like was a little bit too like Moroccan looking for me, so I gave it back to my mom, who originally got it, and it's in her house and it looks beautiful in her house. And I finally found the rug that fit the aesthetic I was going for, and as it turns out, it's from that company Ruggable, not sponsored. Super wish it was, because I find that their products are a little bit more expensive than I was willing to do. But the cool thing about it is it comes with like a pad at the bottom, and then you could take the top part off, which is what's the part you're gonna see, and you can actually wash it in the washing machine, which honestly is amazing. And now I'm never gonna buy a rug that I can't put in the washing machine, because I've done that, and trying to take a rug to get cleaned is so expensive. So I kind of feel like paying for this like makes sense in the long run. Anyways, So that's all to say, I finally found the rug, and now that I have that, I feel like the rest is gonna like kind of come together. So I still need to get towels and things of that sort, but I finally feel like I have a really good base to work with. So one thing I learned is when you're redecorating a room or just trying to figure out how to decorate a room is really basing a lot of it around a rug or like a main piece. So like in the living room, I feel like a couch is like the first piece that you really want to establish and then kind of work off of that. In the bathroom, it was the rug. So then I was trying to find a picture for the big pink wall. I looked at like literally everything. I don't know about you guys, but I am like a crazy online shopper. I can spend hours just like browsing. It's like going to the mall and just like looking in the windows. And I knew I wanted like a pop of color, but I couldn't quite figure out what I was looking for. So then I went to the Urban Outfitters website, which I don't know, do you guys shop at Urban Outfitters? I like really like the aesthetic there. I feel like sometimes it's a little cheapy looking though. And I know as far as the clothes go, I just like don't really have much luck there. And I feel like the quality isn't great and it's super expensive, but their home stuff is really cute and I like their aesthetic. And if nothing else, I like to go there and get ideas and then like go to Home Goods or go thrift shopping to try to like get that look. So I was looking at their art and I came across this artist that I really like. She does all collage work. So I found this piece that I thought would be perfect in the bathroom, but here's the other thing I learned. If you want to save money, you should definitely like on the Urban Outfitters website, like take the name of the artist and the picture and Google it, because a lot of times those artists aren't like exclusive to Urban Outfitters. So she has her own Instagram and she sells on Society6, which is a pretty cool website. I feel like a lot of artists put their pieces there if they don't have them on Etsy. And so I actually was able to get it for a lot cheaper on Society6 and it came framed. So this is a lot of rambling, but I was excited because I feel like I'm learning things about decorating and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. And so hopefully this gives you some tips and tricks. So let's go into the bathroom and check it out. Alrighty. First of all, that squatty potty though. But here is the rug. I love it. And like I said, this is like the piece underneath that you can, it's Velcro. So you leave this and then you can wash this in the washing machine. So that's that. This is still the same, although I'm starting to like fill in the blanks. I should have rearranged this. I need to get a thing for this, but like those kind of plants do really well in here. And if you wanted to learn more about the plants that do well in the bathroom, I'm learning about that, let me know. I got this at an event and I just think she's so cute. Little Frida. Sort of just trying to fill this in with like a lot of plant and greenery and just different things that like bring me joy and are colorful and kind of bring out the colors in the rug. And then let me take you over. See, even like, I feel like even just with this, the pink isn't so like, hi, I'm a baby girl. So let me give you this close-up of this picture that I'm obsessed with. Here it is, and I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out. I just think it's so darling. I love the color, I love the aesthetic, and I'm just like super excited about it. Now I need to figure out what color towels and just like little things to kind of pull the whole thing together. I don't want to spend much more on anything, so I'm definitely gonna hit up Home Goods, Target. Even Target sometimes is a little bit expensive depending on what you're getting, and some thrift shops. So here we go, let's see how we do. Oh, hi. Are you ready to see the final product? The not gross bathroom reveal. Excited about how it turned out. I feel like it feels very much like me. It's bright, it is fun, and it makes me happy when I go in. So I did it! Doesn't look like a nursery anymore. So there you have it, my new bathroom. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think I made that pink work? Like, personally, I actually like really love it, and I don't even notice the pink as being like the disgusting version that it was when it first went up. I actually think it just like enhances the room. And more than anything, not only does the bathroom like make me feel good, like I feel like it's my style, but I feel proud that I did it all by myself in there. So let me know what you think. Maybe it's not your personal style, but I hope that you did enjoy this video and liked watching the makeover process. And also let me know if you want to see more interior design stuff. I know I certainly had fun making this, so I hope that it was fun watching. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching, and stick around. I have many more videos of all different genres coming your way. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and hit that notification button. YouTube is fickle with me sometimes. Sometimes you get it in your inbox, sometimes you don't. But if you hit that notification button, you will be sure to be notified when a new video arrives. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. You're cute, and I'll see you next time. Bye.